Okay, as promised, yet more functionality for the elevator control panel reproduction from Tower of Terror. Previously, we had rigged it up so that this button, the alarm test, actually sets an alarm test off. And now you see this button that says door open, which once again, all the button labels here are accurate for the Tower of Terror elevator control panel. So let's see what this one does. Door open. Now works to open the door. Actually, it works to close the door as well. And then lastly, as shown in the video yesterday, the loading spiel when you get onto the ride also functions.
To our valued guests, for your safety once on board, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened.
Okay.
Keeping your hands.
Now all I need to do is build the 199-foot drop tower.